Okay, today I'm programming a second garage door remote. These have different garage doors, so some of them need to read the directions. Mine's a 2005 or later garage remote. First order is going to be getting the box open. But this has options for dip switches, like for other style. This one uses a learn code signal to program it. The directions on the side. I'm not going to be clearing out the remote because I'm actually programming this is a second remote. Hopefully we've got the battery already ready to go in here. And we do. It's already blinking. So what we've got is a slide in the front to pull it down. This side is our dip switch, so you can program whatever your dip switch code is, on, off, depending on what your ding is. There's a little learn code button right here. So I'm going to hold that down for 3 seconds. It's going to light up. I'm going to push the button once here. It's going to light up. I'm going to push the button 3 times here for whatever, mine's 2005, so it's 1, 2, 3. Whatever side I want to program. Now we're programmed. Now I'm going to push the learn code button to lock in the code. Now we're locked in. And it's as easy as that on this model. You can look up in the instructions for if you had a different garage opener. You may need to push the button a different amount of times for those remotes. For this one was for 2005 Chamberlain. It's a done deal. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out. With this deal, it just slides in here. It's got a little clips in the back for our visor clip. There it is. Done deal. And the other side you can use for dip switch to program to something else, or you can also program it to something else, to a second garage or a gate, something along those lines. That's it. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. If you did want to clear out all the stored programs, you would just hold down the button for more than 6 seconds, and that would clear out any existing garage remotes. It's a done deal.
So each brand of garage door is going to have different instructions for how many times to push the buttons. There's a handy chart in the instructions. Linear is going to be 1 time. Chamberlain 97 to 03 is going to be 2 times. Chamberlain 05 to current, 2005 to current. Here is going to be 3 times. And so on. There's a whole, list. A Genie overhead door is 93 to current is going to be 6 times. A Stanley 98 is going to be 7 times. But there's a chart there for whatever your particular garage door is, for you to push that button the correct amount of times to program your garage remote. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.